Science fiction has come home one more time. In this case, it is in Pennsylvania when they are using statistical tools at sentencing in order to be able to predict the future behavior of a defendant to know whether they should be sent to jail or some other alternative measure. And if you remember the movie Minority Report, it will bring that to mind. Now, many states use risk assessment, statistical risk assessment, in things like setting up bails or deciding who qualifies for parole. But this obviously goes a step further, since it's trying to deal with future behavior. Now, there is an increasing reliance in the society about all these statistical measures, no matter how they're called. There is two companies that I know of, Upstart and Zest Finance, which use algorithms to be able to determine the credit worthiness of certain people. And their algorithm, they use things like their SAT score, the college they went to, their GPA, and they say that with those numbers they can determine the willingness to repay a loan. There is another company called Workday which helps company managers assess the future behavior and how long somebody might stay in a given company. Now, we all know about human error, but we know very little about statistical error. And statistics are used mainly to apply to most people. My understanding is they don't universally apply. And the creators of all these algorithms and statistical tools need to use humility to remember the limitations of what they are creating. And the users need to exercise caution and be leery, because there's no substitute for human wisdom. Even though I realize some people don't have wisdom, it is difficult to quantify certain elements that goes into understanding certain aspect of human behavior that go way beyond numbers, which all of us should learn to cultivate. But all of us should also be very aware of what's going on with numbers. So thank you for listening. I'm Danielle Levy.